after careful consideration by the Cabinet, and the presentation of the CMO, which you've just seen, it was decided that we have to prevent further transmission. And the most effective way of slowing down transmission is to have a complete halt at a point, stop movement. That's what it comes down to simply. So even though I'm going to announce a series of measures, what I want you to take away from these measures, if you don't have to move, Tana your yard, stay home. Stay put, stay safe, shelter in place, whatever you want to describe it as. If you don't have to move in this period, don't move. Stay within your household. Stay in groupings that you know. As I said earlier in my presentation, there are many persons who believe this is not going to affect me. Many of the persons who are in hospital now, that's what they thought. That's exactly what they thought. And we are at the point where we don't have enough beds. We don't want to get to the point where we just can't take anyone else in the hospital, or someone dies because they were deprived of a service because we have had to take a doctor and put them on the COVID ward, or take a bed from another ward to put it on the COVID ward. We're trying to avoid that. So we have established that there will be 7 no movement days. And these will be Sunday, August the 22nd, Monday, August the 23rd, Tuesday, August the 24th, Sunday, August the 29th, Monday, August 30th, Tuesday, August 31st, and Sunday, September 5th. So we want to digest that a bit. No movement days means just that. On those days, the curfew hour would be 24 hours. The entire day, no movement on that day for those 7 days. And let me repeat. So this coming Sunday, the 22nd, no movement on that day. Stay home, get some rest, spend it with your family, call up your family members in the country, overseas, do some work around your yard. If you, find something to occupy your time at home. Worship online. On Monday, August the 23rd, no movement day. Tuesday, August 24th, no movement day. PS is not a holiday. No movement on that day. But it doesn't mean that you should not be working from home. So we are expecting you, as many of you who can work from home, to continue to be productive, to do your work at home.